Viva Maria Immacolata! Ciao! Quando a sera si scolora, ti saluta il mio pensiero.
Scendiamo dalla nonna. Andiamo, scendiamo. Ciao.
La voce di Maria dentro l'anima mia, come un balsamo scende sulle ferite e le porta via. La voce di Maria, dolce melodia, che ci porta al cuore sempre di più nel cuore di Gesù. Le mani di Maria sopra l'anima mia, santa benedizione, la sua protezione per la vita mia. La voce di Maria, le mani di Maria, suo sorriso dolce che ci fa cantare, sei la mamma mia.
Sarò spigliato.
Primo a sinistra.
Ciao dear Sicily lovers and happy Immaculate Conception from Sicily. Today, as I told you some days ago, we celebrate the Immaculate Conception. It's a big religion feast, and if you miss the previous live broadcast, please check. I show you a little piece of the procession with a lot of people. Behind me, the beautiful landscape of my favorite mountain, Mount San Calogero, called in the past also Euraco Mountain. But thanks to San Calogero, now it's called now San Calogero. San Calogero was an eremit that lived there, and he spent all his life just up there. And it's a beautiful mountain because it's about 1,300 meters above the sea level. It means about 4,000 feet. But what about the feature? The feature, the most important highlight is that it just rises out from the sea. So it's the only mountain in Sicily with this high gap between the top and the sea, just close to the sea. And I just did this live broadcast to wish you again a blessed Immaculate Conception. From this day, we can say that this is right the beginning of our Christmas atmosphere. And so it's our way to wish you a good month of December to spend with your relatives, with your beloved ones. And don't think that we are slowing down. No, forget it. It's impossible. We are managing all the online orders from our online store. I'm wearing some beautiful crochet items. If you want to have a look and have an authentic handmade artwork from Sicily, you can visit our online store, sicilylover.com. And I'm taking care of this part. Gianca is taking care of the tourism part. So if you want to travel to Sicily, take a look at our website, bestthingstodoinsicily.com, and plan a dream vacation with us. And now I come closer because I want to show you the landscape. So look at this. Today is a beautiful sunny day here in Sicily. It's warm. This is the port of Termini, Imerese. Many ships depart from here. And this is the beautiful sea. Sometimes when the sky is very clear, you can also see the Aeolian Highlands. And over there, more or less behind the ship, you can see, I don't know if you can see, but over there, Cefalù, La Rocca, you can see another beautiful mountain, a sacred mountain. All the most important mountains in Sicily are sacred because there are a lot of legend related to these mountains with miracles and a lot of patron saint, for example, lived there, but also in the ancient times they used to stay there. So I think they are magical places, and any time that I come back to my hometown, you know, this is Termini, Imerese. I don't remember if I told you at the beginning of this live broadcast. So this is the small town where I grew up, and every time when I see Mount San Calogero, my heart is full of energy, my soul, I recharge my soul, so it's my favorite mountain in Sicily. Termini Imerese was an important Greek colony, and one of the most important Greek colonies, and the name is from Imera, the old name of this town. Of course, like all the other parts in Sicily, we have a lot of dominations. So we have the Arabs, the Normans, everyone. And that's why it's also a rich town, talking about culture. And over there you can see also the rest of a castle. But now nothing, just some ruins. And what else? I love you. God bless you. We have something very important to tell you in the next days. These days I'm not with Gianca, so we will tell you something very important when we will be together again. So enjoy your day. We love you, and thanks for watching. Thanks for your love. And again, happy Immaculate Conception from Sicily. Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily. Ciao, dear Sicily lovers. Keep dreaming, keep smiling, and only positive vibes to you. Ciao!